Hello Pythonistas. So today we are going to see how to create a Visual Studio account for our CS50P course. So first what to do in this we can see submit this form. So I am just clicking on submit this form. Yeah. So what does this form contain? We can just see. Yeah. So authorize CS50 it is asking. I am just clicking on allow. Yeah, so it is asking for my mail id, my name and edX username all, and I'm going to write I understand. What's your GitHub username? So yeah, we are going to create a new GitHub account, I guess. So if you don't have already an account, we are going to click here. So yeah, I'm going to create a GitHub account, and yeah, so what will be my username for my GitHub account? Pythonistas. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to write my GitHub account as Pythonista CS50, and yeah, my email will be at gmail.com, and my password will be so all these things are I'm creating some dummy things because I already know that these things I have completed my course, so these are all dummy accounts and dummy things. Okay, use the arrow to rotate the animal to the face of the direction of hands. Okay, I guess this is correct. Okay, so I am doing all these things because we already know that it is very official, and I just want you to feel what will happen if we are doing from first. So we will get a GitHub verification code. Yeah, first we have already signed in to our GitHub account. Now what we can do is we can go back here, and what is my GitHub user ID? Which city? So we are beginners, right? So I am less comfortable a little bit, maybe 0. Yeah. And yes, I'm submitting it. Yeah, we have submitted the form which they have given. Now they have said us to visit the link to log into your GitHub account and click authorize CS50. So I'm going to click on that link. Yeah, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to authorize CS50. And now I'm going to click on this check mark, and then I'm going to join my course. Yeah, if you can see, there is no submissions because we did not submit anything still now. Yeah, checkbox indicating, and we have clicked join the course. Now logging to CS50.dev, which is considered to be cloud version of Visual Studio of your own account. So yeah, I'm going to log into CS50.dev. So login. Okay, authorize CS50. So it is setting up a code space. So still that we can just do what are the things. Code space with everything we will need pre-install. No need to download VS Studio. So we are not going to download anything, and if you're not familiar, be sure to watch this short for a full overview. Okay, so let us check. We can click on view logs. Yeah, everything is getting extracted and downloaded. Let us wait for it. And yeah, once we complete this whole thing, what we need to do is we will be logged into our Visual Studio page, and we can start doing our programming. So in every video, every one problem set, I will try to solve one video at a time for all the problem sets, and it is just going to be a reference, and I will not say that is going to be an optimal solution or the best solution, but it is going to be an available solution. Maybe let us check. Okay. So we should be very patient till everything is complete. So yeah, everything is complete, and this is a code space. And yeah, if we want, we can just try doing our own themes, maybe dark modern. So I have chosen dark modern because I love dark colors. Yes, so after completing this code space, what have they done? Close any welcome tabs that might be open by default. Execute update 50 in your code space terminal window to ensure that your code space is up to date. If prompted, click rebuild now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to execute update 50. So whatever we need to execute, we are going to execute in this terminal window. Okay, so yeah, see, it is asking for me, so I'm going to click on rebuild now. So by the time it is rebuilding, what we are going to do is we are going to just see what is this short. So this is the thing which will be helping for us to do all the things. Okay, so I am going to click on this PDF so that we can easily see what are the things available here. Yeah, so they have said you some of the main and important list of commands which we can use in our Visual Studio Code, and I would recommend you to see that short video fully to know the uses of these codes so that we can easily jump into the coding process, and it is very simple, friends, I assure you. So it is connecting. I don't know why it takes so much time. and it is updated, I guess. So yeah, this is how our CS50 repository will be, and yeah, we have set up our own code space, and then what we need to do is submit all the problems below, and then we need to do the timing also they have given. So if you click on any one problem, there will be a problem set with all the informations which you need. So yeah, let us start with the problem set 0, and with the first problem we need to solve in the next video. Okay, bye bye.